Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and welcome back to another video. So today I have a new model. Her name's Chloe. She's a school teacher. She's got beautiful hair for us to work with today. I am going to be showing you a waterfall braid, but bear with me, it's not your average waterfall braid because they look lovely, but they fall out so easily. So I've come up with one that I think looks really pretty, but it's literally like bomb proof. Like you could do a forward roll at a wedding and it's going to stay in. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to kind of leave out all this section of hair here. So from the front, it's going to look quite soft. I don't want to kind of pull all this back and use all that hair. So I'm just kind of taking my fingers, kind of rough, no comb, and leaving out this front section here. I'm taking a section of hair like that and I'm just going to break it into two. I'm then going to take this left piece underneath the right piece. Can you see my two fingers are coming up there? Grabbing hold and pulling it through like that. Now this section here, I'm just going to clip out of my way like that. I'm going to release this hair down for the moment. Now we need to secure this section because it's just too loose as it is like that. You would never just want to leave the hair and hope it stays in. Now one way of doing it is to put a grip there, but then you're always fighting to sort of make sure the grip can't be seen. So instead of using a grip, I'm using a small elastic. I'm taking a really small section of hair from underneath there and I'm going to combine those two together, put my elastic in, and that now has secured that piece of hair, and it's literally, although it looks delicate, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to release this little bit down and we're going to go again. We've got one piece. Okay, we're going to take a slice of hair. I kind of want the braid, guys, to come down a little bit and then come back up. So my next piece, I'm going to take it underneath again like that. Two fingers come up. I'm going to pull it through. But can you see how I could tighten it to go higher, or I could kind of pull it down there a little bit? That's where I want it to sit. So this one here, I'm just pinning out the way. Taking another really small slice of hair, joining them together, pop another elastic in. Tighten it up there. Again, now that one's secure. Now before I go any further, guys, I'm just going to tease out this first one. I'm going to leave this one for now because we're still connected here. So I'm just going to kind of hold onto the elastic and just tease up that hair. And I'm also going to just pull this bit of hair as well, just to give a little bit of extra volume. We're going to go again, guys. Make sure that hair's flowing down the back of the head. You're going to get a slice of hair. This section comes underneath. Two fingers there to grab hold of that one and just pull it through. Pin this one out the way. Grabbing a piece of hair. Okay guys, so I'm just going to work my way around now. I am going to try and just make it have a nice little bend and then coming up to the right here. So I've worked my way back round now. I'm going to do possibly 2 more. You're trying to make sure, guys, that you finish at the same place on the opposite side so it looks nice and matched from the front. And can you see how I've just let the sort of braid bow down a little bit, and then to bring it back up, what you do is exactly the same, but when you do your like little pull through bit there, okay, rather than allowing it to sort of come here, you just lift it slightly, and that will sort of bring your braid back up again. I'm on my last one now, guys. I think because I work without a mirror when I do my videos, I'm hoping that we're level on both sides. So bringing it up there, this is my last one, so I'm just going to pin that out the way. And then just on this last one, guys, because obviously we haven't got anything to connect that to, I'm just going to take one small bobby pin or hair grip, okay, and I'm just going to place it through the back there, taking my time to make sure we can't see it, okay, so push it through. That's held that in place now, and that now won't go anywhere. Okay guys, this is optional. I'm going to make, hopefully, a little bit of like a sort of headband of jip going across the front like that. So this is jip or gypsophilia or baby's breath, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to start just placing it like that. I'm going to use these little hairpins. That's why gypsophilia is so good, because it's got these really thin stems that pin really nicely. So that's the style finish, guys. We went very bridesmaidy at the end there. I'm loving it. Don't think you'd wear that every day. You could if you wanted to, but I don't think I would. But I love it for a wedding. I'm going to do a little spin for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.